all of this, guys. Apples everywhere. Pumpkins, tomatoes. Corn. There's a lot more there. There's a lot more over there. It's overwhelming. There's fruits everywhere. Fruits and vegetables, pumpkins. Yeah, look at all of these cabbages. Like, I know. Look how huge are these, guys. Cabbage.
Yeah, look at there.
Yep. Get one and show it off. These are cabbages. Guys, look at this. Like huge. And apples everywhere. See, you can buy like a bag of these cabbages for less. I think $10 for one of these. And muscadine grapes. Huge muscadine. Are those good? The light ones?
I don't know.
You never had those yet.
The red ones, but I haven't had
The green one.
The bees like them. Must be good.
Smells good. Look at all of these potatoes. Huge potatoes. See, guys? Oh, look at all of these eggplants. Look at all of these eggplants.
No puedo. Ten afuera, cargaba ya.
¿Qué precio tiene el repollo? $3. Ahorita vengo, me llevo uno.
Husband was already there eating some of these grapes. Just look at all of these grapes. Are they good? They're good?
You want to get a 35.
They're 35.
Look at all the bees on it.
I know. It means that they are sweet. Look at all of these muscadine grapes, guys. I've seen a lot. And my husband already bought one basket, which is $35.
That was the first time I've had these. I love the red ones. So, how much you owe me?
35.
You owe me 35.
There it is. Husband already bought some muscadine grapes. We're gonna take this to the truck. My husband keeps on eating grapes. There's a lot of grapes. We bought a basket full of grapes, guys, and we are headed off to our truck to put it in our truck so that we don't need to carry it wherever we go. Well, we are shopping for some more